is not a restaurant. It is a daily eating place. By nature, the employees of corporate sector have a very sedentary lifestyle. Along with that, if they follow an unhealthy diet, that will have a lot of negative impact on them. Our project was introduced in Lulu IT Park as it has an educated, repetitive crowd who can be enlightened and be made mindful of what they are eating. We do not use any food colors, trans fat, or hydrogenated fat. We procure our meat only when supplied in a temperature below 4 degrees to avoid bacterial contamination. So all of us from Gourme welcome you to accompany us in the journey of mindful, soulful eating.